Guys, this is Droid Android Play, and today I'm going to tell you how to download Samsung official firmware for your device. So let's get into the video. So you need to enter to the website called samobile.com, which provide the Samsung official firmwares. So once you visited to the website, you need to create an account. So which you have to give your email address and you need to enter a password. Then after creating your website, so click search button and click firmware instead before searching. So it will direct you a new page and type your phone's model number. So I will show an example for you. I'm just clicking on S7H SMG935F. Once you search, it will showcase available firmware for your device. So you can see there are lots of carrier versions here. You can select which country and what version you want. Once you click the firmware that you want, then this will direct to another page in which you can download the firmware. So if you have a premium account, you can download at full speed. If you don't, you have to be download in slow. So click on wait and download. I don't have a premium account, so you need to wait for it until the waiting time ends. And I will give you more website which provides Samsung official firmware in the description below, so you can just check it out and visit the website. So now just click on download and you can select which download manager you need to download this file, and just tap on it, and your file is ready to download. It is downloading now.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my channel. If you have any questions regarding this video, please leave a comment below, and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.